What is going on, you peeps? How you doing? Listen, I'm back out here at the property, and I'm here to meet the roofers. You might ask, hey, why am I meeting the roofers? The roof has been put on. The roofers are long and gone. That rhymed. Anyway, yeah, I'm here to meet the roofers because yesterday I was out here at the property and I noticed some puddle action. I noticed water was dripping down from the ceiling. In fact, let's go over there and I'll show you what I'm talking about, okay? Boy, bump the camera, why don't I? Just leave the keys here. Yeah, I noticed some puddles, drippage coming in the bonus room, right on top of the stairs, right when you land up on the stairs. I also noticed some snow got up in the cracks here, and I'll show you kind of where I'm talking about. Right up in there, if you can see it, which just that little right here, that right angle there. I don't know how the water is getting up there. They have this right angle like flashing that's that goes up behind the siding and stuff. So I'm not entirely sure what's going on there, but I'll show you guys. If we head up in the bonus room, it should be cold enough still that the water froze in the puddle here. Or no, it dried out. Okay, I'll show you a picture. So I'm up on the stairs here. Let me back up. So coming up the stairs to the bonus room, right here on the top of the stairs was just a puddle of water dripping right from there. And that angle right here is that right angle. And you can also see right here is that snow. And yeah, I don't know how this works with this vapor barrier or this house wrap kind of got all scrunched up, I guess, before the framers put the siding on, which I'm not super thrilled about, but that still shouldn't affect it that much. But you can see they put this flashing kind of up and up in here, but somehow we got snow in here. Okay, and there was some stuff up in this corner as well. So something's going on right in here. Something else I noticed, and I was looking around, my wife noticed it. I was looking around around the house just to make sure we didn't have any other wet spots and stuff. And my wife noticed some snow right here, but then she thought, and some wetness, but it looks like drops, and that's ice. So right up in here, you can see there's a roof vent or an attic vent. So that's a thing. But if you, let me take this over. If you come up the ladder and look in the attic, what do we have there, folks? What do we have there? Ice. Snow. So my thinking was that it came in from there, but nowhere else. I don't see anywhere else that has snow. Anywhere else that has snow. So I really don't get it. How that got up there. I don't see anything else that maybe the snow came in at I don't know. Almost died. Woo! Woo, that gives me the thrills. Okay, love death. Just kidding. Anyway, yeah, it's cold. It's a cold one. My wife was gracious enough to clean up after all the mess the electricians and HVAC folk made. So that was cool. I need to I need to show you guys actually what is going on with the mini split stuff. But hey, this is not the video for that, okay? We'll keep that in a separate one. But yeah, the roofers are coming back out. I'm thankful the guy returned my phone call that same day. I called him and said, yo, look, something's going on, man. There's water in the house, there's snow in the house, there shouldn't be, right? I'm glad we are not further along where I noticed that later to be like, we got water in the attic where the insulation be and all that stuff. That would be bad business. So, thankful I noticed it now. And yeah, the plan is to meet them out here. They're gonna bring all their equipment with them, some flashing, some whatever else they think they might need. And I'm gonna show them, you know, what I'm talking about, and they're gonna get to fixing it, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I mean, they're gonna look at it. So anyway, we'll wait till they get here. They'll be here in about another 40 minutes. I got here a little bit early because I just wanted to get changed into my working clothes and whatever else, and I got some more work to do with the plumbing. I'm gonna be setting valves, so that's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, yeah, we'll get back with you when they get here, okay? Alright, so they're up at on the roof and they're looking at stuff. I really hope they find some stuff and are able to take care of it, because gosh dang, that's like the last thing I want is put a roof on and it leaks, right? Let's go see. They're looking at the vent now. All right, my friends have left. They redid a couple things. One of them was one of the vent pipes that I stuck out through the roof. Somebody moved it when they were installing the roof, and so it didn't quite align with the boot that they had on, so the boot was kind of doing one of these, creating a bowl instead of creating a slope off the pipe. So I had them reinstall the boot appropriately, so now that's good. They caulked around that as well, and then they said they found a couple of holes up in those areas where it was leaking, I guess, like from a nail, or I don't know exactly, but they said they caulked all up in there and stuff, and it should take care of it. And I don't know. I will definitely be keeping my eye out for that. If we get some more drippage, I might even take a hose and just go, you know, have party like a champagne all over the roof, you know, just to see, you know, just to see if it wants to leak or something. If it does, I'm calling them right back. I mean, I don't know what else to say or what else to do. I was even considering maybe calling the framer to have him come and take off that siding that's over there, and just make sure we're all good from that perspective. So I don't know. I do not know, and it just, these kinds of things, you know, when they, like, if there was no issue, it wouldn't even be in my noggin, you know, but now it's always going to be in my noggin. Like, is my roof just going to leak one day, like randomly, you know? Is that silicone going to come off, or like lose its integrity or whatever? Yeah, I know big words. Now it's always in the back of my mind, and I hate that. I hate it. I don't know. What else can you do? I don't know. We'll see. I might do some tests like that and see what happens. I mean, short video, what do you want? Short video. You know, just kind of giving you guys a little update of what I noticed. So feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's like, let's just assume this is a bonus episode, okay? But yeah, I got some more work to do around here. I'll do some plumbing because I got to keep that going. Yeah, anyway, y'all take it easy. Till next time. Peace.